Hello people, welcome to People Series. So today we are going to see how to make face moving videos using our selfies or photos. So first I will tell you the app Avatarify, which won't work in Android but it works in iPhone. So this is the app and this is the page where you can download directly. So this is the official website and you cannot download for Android. So this is the other option for face moving videos. And now I will tell you about Wombo, which is the official app of face moving videos. Let's download the app first and see how it works. Now I am downloading the official version of Wombo because I did not find any mod version. So this is the UI, and if you see the premium details, there is a monthly and annual plan, so you can choose it. But let's go with the trial version. Now it is asking us the app permissions, so we accept and let's select a photo. So you should select a photo where the face is very clear and we need to crop the photo as shown. Now you can see a green color option, right? So you need to click on that and there will be a number of audios where you can select the type of audio you need for the photo. So now it gets processed and there will be ads getting played, so you can skip them, and then after processing the video you can see the face moving. So as this is a trial version, the video is not that good, but if you go for premium version then it gives the perfect video. So you can see there is a save option and you can make again selecting another audio and proceed. So like this you can make face moving videos and you can also share to your friends. So this is the official app of Wombo. If I find any mod version, I will keep the app link in description. Please subscribe. Thank you.